the previous class we have completed Unit 1, 1A and 1B, a lesson and a poem. Yes, this is 1C, the new blue dress. This is a lesson, children. So this lesson is a very interesting lesson. So I want everyone to listen and observe carefully. Yes, children? Yes. Now, let me ask some questions. See, children, whenever we get an appreciation and if we get a reward or a prize or a gift from others, means it may be from your parents, your friends, or colleagues, or neighbors, whoever it may be. How do you feel? You just feel very happy. Yes, and you will just feel very proud. Yes, children. Yes, and we will just take it with lot of excitement. Yes, here. So, such type of excitement and everything was in this lesson. So, let us move on to the lesson to know what is that excitement and what is the presentation or what is related to this lesson. Yes? Okay, now let us start the lesson. I want everyone to open page number 19. Okay, from our 7th class textbook, page number 19. Yes, the name of the lesson. Once again, I am just repeating this. The name of the lesson is The New Blue Dress. Yes, here when we are coming to the title part, so the title itself tells that the lesson is about a new blue dress. Yes, so a new blue dress. So what is this new blue dress? And who has given this to whom? Or what is what? To find all these answers for all these questions. So let us move on to the lesson. Yes, children. Now let me start reading the lesson. So let us see the first paragraph. Yes. Yes. Next. See, Nana. When spring came to the city of Cleveland in 1909. When spring came to the city of Cleveland in 1909, it did not change its no. So, children, see once again. When spring came to the city of Cleveland, okay, Cleveland in 1909, it did not change Gates Avenue. Yes, people who lived on the pretty street near Gates Avenue were making gardens and painting their houses. But Gates Avenue continued to look dirty and ugly. Yes, children, when spring came. So, what is meant by spring? Spring. So, I hope everyone knows what is a spring. Yes, spring means it is a season. So, what can we see in this season? Yes, we can see, we can tell that spring is nothing but a season of flowers and fruits. So, in spring season, it will be just drizzling. So, we will get lot of flowers and fruits. Yes, children. So, in this type of season, what everyone will be busy in doing? They will be very busy in planting and just making their houses clean and everything. But what about this, the Gates Avenue? But here, still the streets were looking dirty and ugly. Yes? Yes, see, children. When spring came to the city of Cleveland in 1909, it did not change Gates Avenue. Why it did not change? People who lived on the pretty streets near Gates Avenue were making gardens and painting their houses. So who lived near that? They were very busy in painting, gardening and everything. But the people who lived here were just quiet. Yes, but Gates Avenue continued to look dirty and ugly. So everyone are busy in cleaning, but how was Gates Avenue? It was dirty. How was it? It was dirty and ugly. So, yes, children, how was the street? It was dirty and ugly. So, dirty means not here. Ugly means worst. Yes? Why it is worst and what is behind that means? So, the streets were not swept, the houses were dull. Yes, children, so many drawbacks in the Gates Avenue people, those were living in that street. See, children, next paragraph. Gates Avenue was a short street, but it seems is longer because it was so ugly. So it is very short, but it just looks dirty. That's why this looks like a longer one. Most of the families who lived there had very little money, and those who lived in that 8th Avenue street, they are very poor and they just have little money. They never expected to have any more. So they never expected to have any more, and they just wanted or they just get whatever they get. Means they just have very little amount with them. Yes, children. Next, page number 20. Their houses had not been painted in many years. And how are the houses? It has not been painted for many years. So, had not been painted in many years. And they did not even have running water. And what is meant by running water? So, running water means what, children? So, when we are getting water from the tap, for example, if we turn the tap, we should get water. Yes, but whereas coming to this, here the case of this is not like this. Yes, means they don't have the facility of running water also. Means they're just going and carrying the water and just coming there. Yes, next, the street itself was ugly too. The street itself. When we are just going to the houses than before, if you see the street itself, it just looks ugly. There was no pavement. There was no pavement means there was no roads even. There was no street light, and the railroad at the end of Gates Avenue added noise and dirt. So there is no street lights. There is no pavements. Means there are no roads. And railroad means there are no railways at the end of Gates Avenue added noise and dirt. So at the end of this street there is a railways. Railways means the track where the trains passes. Yes, and it is with full of noise and dirt. So the short street, this Gates Avenue looks very dirty and ugly. Yes, not only the street, the houses and their surroundings, everything is very ugly. Yes, children. Next paragraph. Next, the other girls in the school near Gates Avenue wore new and pretty clothes that spring. Okay, the other girls in the school near Gates Avenue wore new and pretty clothes that spring. So, during the spring season, except this Gates Avenue children, the other children, those who are coming from nearby places, how are they? They are very beautiful and they are very pretty. Pretty means beautiful. Yes, and they are looking very fresh and they are very good in the clothes. But the little girl from Gates Avenue still wore the dirty dress that she had worn all winter. So whenever during the winter time they are just wearing the same dress, and during the spring also, with the spring season, how does it will be the flower, all the plants and the trees, everything will be full of flowers and fruits. So how the surroundings looks very beautiful. So in that beautiful nature, if we are in a very pleasant and a very beautiful dress, how do we look? Do we just look very beautiful? Yes, but here the girl who comes from the Gates Avenue, she just looks ugly and she is just coming from a dress which was continuously worn by her from winter. So during winter time the same dress, and again in the spring season also she is just coming in the same dirty dress. See children, probably that was the only dress she owned. So probably means perhaps. So perhaps she just wore only one dress that too looks very dirty and ugly. Yes, children. Her teacher was very unhappy. How was the teacher? Unhappy. So what is the meaning of unhappy? So the She was always friendly and polite. She was very good girl. She was very polite and she was always friendly. Her face was dirty and her hair was untidy. But anyone could see that she was pretty under the dirt. So to look how was she? She is beautiful and she is a hard worker girl and she is a very good and very intelligent girl. But whenever we look her appearance, how does she look? She just looks very dirty. So what happened next? One day the teacher said, "Won't you wash your face before you come to school tomorrow morning?" Yes, once again. One day the teacher said, "Won't you wash your face before you come to school tomorrow morning?" She just requested the girl, "Please, once if you are coming back from the home to school, please wash your face and come to the school. Okay, please do that just for me." So she is requesting. Who is that? The teacher is just requesting her to wash her face. Please wash your face and come in the next morning. Means whenever she's coming back, the next day, the previous day. So the teacher wanted to come her in a nice way. See, what did the teacher said? "Won't you wash your face before you come to school tomorrow morning? Please do that just for me. So please wash your face and come tomorrow morning. And please do this favor for me." So in such a way she requested. Who is that? The teacher requested the little girl. Yes? The next morning the child's pretty face was clean and her hair tidy. So the next day, whatever her teacher told, she just accepted those words and she was very beautiful and she was very much clean and looking very tidy. And now she just came to the school with clean and neatly combed hair. Yes? Stop. Yes, children? So the next morning, the child's pretty face was clean. Her face was clean and her hair was tidy. Her hair was tidy means fresh. Before the little girl went home that afternoon, the teacher said, "Now dear, please ask your mother to wash your dress." Yes, now she was very neat and her face was clean and her hair was tidy. Means she is just looking fresh. But what about her dress? Her dress is ugly, means dirty. Yes. Now, what is the next request by the teacher? Teacher, "Now dear, please ask your mother to wash your dress." "Okay, mom, whatever you did is very good, very fine. Now please go to your mother and please ask her to wash your dress." Okay. But the little girl continued to wear the same dirty dress. So, but the girl continued to wear the same dirty dress. Yes, her mother is probably not interested in her, the teacher thought. So, though the teacher told that she was just coming in the same dirty dress. So, again and again she just told her, but there is no change in the little girl. So, what does the teacher do? She just told her that, okay, and then the teacher thought that her mother is not that much interested in her. So what she did, see children? So she bought a bright blue dress and gave it to the little child. So what did she bring to her? Bright blue dress. So she just brought her a bright blue dress and gave it to the little girl, and she just gave it to the little girl. The girl took the gift eagerly and rushed home. So how did she took the gift? Anxiously, eagerly, and just she took the gift and she ran, this rushed home to the with the present. So she rushed home to the, yes, she eagerly rushed home. Yes, Cecilia, the little girl took the gift eagerly and rushed home. So how did she run? She just rushed home eagerly. Why did she go such that? Yes, she was just anxious. Means what type of anxious? She just wanted to show to the teacher. Yes. Next. The next morning, page number 21, children. The next morning, she came to school in the new blue dress and she was very clean and tidy. Yes. What about the next day? Now her face was clean, her hair was tidy, and now her dress is also very neat and clean. Yes. And she just looked like an angel. Now she was well dressed up and she just came to the class. See children, she told her teacher, my mother couldn't believe her eyes when she saw me this morning in my new dress. So she just told the teacher. What is the answer given to her teacher? She just told that my mother was unable to just believe her eyes. Yes, she just not believe her eyes. Why? Because she was looking that much pretty in that blue dress. Yes, student. Next, my mother couldn't believe her eyes when she saw me in this morning in my new dress. My mother couldn't believe her eyes. Means she just couldn't believe her eyes. Why? Because they doesn't believe that the little girl looks this much pretty. Yes, see children, whenever we are in a plain dress or torn dress, how do we look? But whenever we are dressed up neatly, how do we look? Will you have any change in that? Yes. Yes, the way of dressing, the way of appearance just gives the attraction towards others. So the same thing happens here. Before that, it doesn't look or observe the child as beautiful. But now in this blue dress, she is looking very beautiful. Next, my father wasn't at home, but he will see me at supper tonight. So the little girl was explaining to the teacher with the anxiety. So what was she giving the explanation? My mother couldn't believe her eyes, but my father is not at home, but he will come for the supper tonight. Means the supper means the night will whatever we eat means dinner. So at that time he will look at me and I will show to him. So she was full of excitement. Means she was strongly believing that his father will just come and see her and she will be very much happy. Yes, children. Next, when her father saw her in her new blue dress, he was amazed to find that he had a very pretty little girl. So he doesn't believe anything. Now the little girl's father has come to the home, and now whenever he looked at her, when he looked at her little girl in that new blue dress, he was amazed. Amazed means surprised and filled with a great wonder. What is that wonder? That he never believed that this little girl is that much pretty. Yes, children? Next. When the family ate supper, he was even more amazed to see a cloth on the kitchen table. So before that doesn't have any table or anything or a cloth on that means there is no neatness on the dining table. But now her mother, the little girl's mother, arranged a cloth and everything was arranged on the table. Yes. Now, the father had never used a tablecloth before. We were going to begin to be tidier here, his wife said. So, tidier. Tidier means what? Tidy. Tidy means clean. Tidy, tidier, tidiest. Yes, this is an adjective. So, tidy means looking neat. So, to look neat, they just spread a tablecloth and had their supper there. Now, his wife was giving the reply. What was the reply? So, we never used this, but now we are going to use this tablecloth because from today onwards we wanted to be very neat, very clean and I wanted to take care of the surroundings. After supper, the mother began to wash the kitchen floor. So children, see how many changes they have been taken fast one by step. So now, by the little girl's appearance, after realizing that the girl is very pretty, what did they do? Her mother just changed the atmosphere or surroundings in the home. And after that, her father, what did he do? He just wanted to keep the surroundings clean, and he also have taken a step forward. So after supper, the mother began to wash the kitchen floor. Before they won't used to clean the kitchen floor, but now immediately after the supper or after the lunch, everything after she started cleaning the floor. Yes, children, her husband watched silently for several moments. So for several times, whenever she was doing all the things, he was just looking and he was just staring at her, but he doesn't speak any word. And just he observed that there is a change in his wife. See, then he went outside and began to repair the fence. After that, he went out and he started repairing the fence. Fence means what? A fencing, a surrounding wall, or a wall around the house. Means the surroundings. Next, the next evening, with the family's help, he began to make a garden. After completing the fence work, they started making a beautiful garden in their home. Next, during the following week, the man in the next house watched what his neighbor was doing. So now there is a step-by-step change in their surroundings. So the person who is staying beside his neighbor, he just observed, and he what did he do? He also started to do the same. And by the end of the week, the man began to paint his house. Again, after completing the fencing work and the garden work, after that, what did he do? He started painting his house. What type of house is this? So this house have been nearly up to 10 years it was not painted. Now he started painting. See the change, children. A dress has changing the whole family. See next, for the first time in 10 years. In 10 years this is the first time they are painting their home. Next, for the first time in 10 years, they were painting their house. A few days later, the young minister of the church near Gates Avenue passed these two houses and saw two men working. And a minister of the church, he was passing, means he was just moving in the front of their house, and he just saw that the two men were working. So when they were working, whenever he moved or passed away by that road or by that pavement or by that street, he never observed any house. Why? Because it was dirty, ugly. Yes, children, but now he had a look over there. Why did he have a look? Because now it was very neat and the houses were painted and it just looks very neat. See what happened. People who are trying so hard, people who are trying so hard to make decent homes here deserve help, the minister thought. So those who are helping here, they just deserve help. Deserve help means what? Deserve. They deserve. Deserve means they needed some help, or if it is the worthy to have some help, because they are trying to keep their surroundings neat. But as a minister, even he was coming forward to help him. Yes, children. Next, he asked some important citizens in the city to help them. And again, he asked some of the important citizens in the city to help them. So before, whenever he just noticed that he never helped them, but now he is helping them. Why? Because he just saw that the people are very much interested. Yes, children. So when we are interested to get good knowledge, or when you are interested in the studies, even our teachers, as a teacher, we are very ready to, we are very much eager to help you, and we are always be ready to help you. So the interest just is remarkable. Yes, children. Next. A few months later, because of the young minister, there was a pavement on Gates Avenue. So before there was no pavement, but now by this minister there was the pavement. There was a street light on the corner, and even the street lights also before. As it was a dirty place or ugly place, no one used to take care of that street. But now, after seeing the interest of the people who live there, and now the minister and the people who are very much interested to help them, everyone are helping, and now there is a good pavement, the street lights, the water, and everything in the street of Gates Avenue. There was a street light on the corner, and the house had running water. 6 months after the little girl got her new blue dress, Gates Avenue had become a tidy street where respectable citizens live. See, children, so after getting the new blue dress as a present to the girl's dress itself changed one family, and that family changed the whole street. Now the street is very tidy, and the people, those who are living there, are respectable citizens. What is meant by respectable? Respectable means being respectable. When we feel or when we will be respectable, when we are interested, when we are doing the correct things, when we are doing our job in a correct way, when you are reading or whenever we are giving the homeworks or whatever it may be, if you are doing daily, regularly, without any obstructions or anything, so you too will be getting a remark that you are a respectable student or respectable citizen. Respectable means feeling that we are much responsible. Respectable means nothing but responsible. When we feel responsible, when we are doing our duties perfectly. Yes, children? So, what is our duty? We have to do. What is your duty? You should do. Then we can get the good name and good fame in the society. Yes? When people in other places heard the story of Gates Avenue, they began to organize their own cleanup campaigns. Campaigns means what? A series of planned activities to do some activities. Campaigning means, for example, whenever for example, a fire accident or some other any incident happened, this campaigning activities, they'll go and they'll help them. Means it is a series of planned things which they will do for needed people. Next, have organized campaigns for painting and repairing homes and making better lives for the people who live in them. So not only those two houses, the remaining everything, they have planned out some particular things, and they have repaired everything, they have painted, and with the help of all the ministers and whoever it may be, they have given the needed source, and now this Gates Avenue have become a rich street. Before it was a poor and it was ugly street. Now it looks very respectable citizens living place. Yes. Now, since 1930, more than 7,000. Okay, children. See, when people in other places heard the story of Gates Avenue, they began to organize their own cleanup campaigns. Since 1913, more than 7,000 towns and cities have organized campaigns for painting and repairing homes and making better lives for people who live in them. So, from that time onwards, so many activities have been taken to get the good name of that street. So, now it was looking better, and the people who are living there, they had some respect. Yes, children. Next, who knows what will gives a little girl a new blue dress. See children, what the present was given by the teacher and what the little girls have changed the families and neighbors, and the whole street have been changed only because of a new blue dress which is presented to a little girl by her teacher. So children, a small dress has changed the whole street. Now a small change in us can change our life. So my dear children, if you are not hardworking, please from now itself start working hard and please try to get a good name. Yes children, so please go through the lesson again and again, and I hope everyone understood this lesson. The new blue dress is a very good example for everyone that we should not think that nothing is impossible. Everything is possible if we think I can. Means a positive attitude can build up a positive mind and positive thing in our mind. So my dear students, please be respectable and please get a respectable thing only by your work. So thank you children. I hope everyone understood this lesson, and this lesson is a good example for everyone of us. Yes, thank you.